Hey, just a very quick video to show how to do a certain thing in the tiled map editor. What I want to do is I have a load of tiles here that the ones above have all the collision enabled on them. I've got, for example, if I click on this one, you can mouse over the square in the tile collision editor and see that there is a kind of, rectangle specified for the collision for this square. I want to add this collision to some of these other tiles, like this 390 and these ones here. And I already did this a year ago and then I forgot how to do it. And even though I found the options, like how to even use this, and I've eventually worked out again. What you have to do is, first of all, select all the tiles that you want to add the collision to. So I'm going to drag and select here. I'm also going to hold down Control to select multiple but outside of this zone and choose this one, this 390. And then I'm going to Control click to choose one of the tiles that already has the collision on it that I want to copy. So all the collision in this thing is just rectangles with the same size as the tile itself. So now I've selected this one. This will be shown in the tile collision editor, but I've still got these other tiles selected that don't have the collision on them. So I'm going to right click on this and go to Apply Collisions to selected tiles and choose Replace Existing Objects, and then just save that. So hopefully that was useful to someone. As for what this is that you're seeing here, this isn't my main game project. This is something else, but hopefully this will be revealed fairly soon, as well as my main project that I'm doing. So if that is potentially of interest, then subscribe, and hopefully you found this useful. Okay, thanks.